Hey guys, it's Johnny Mac from BluePrint Engines here, over here looking at our 427.5 car, and I got one of our customers here. This is Brett, and he's picked up one of our, 347 combos? 347 combo. So he's got an engine that came with a transmission bolted to it in a factory 5 package just like this, and just luck of the draw, ran into him out here at Barrett Jackson, Mohegan Suns. Why don't you give me your rundown of kind of why you went with the combo and what it was like getting it and what led you to that decision, you know?
Well, I'd done a bunch of research, most like everybody else had, and I started looking around at what people were paying to find a donor car and make it work and find out what they have, make the parts that they have work, fix what's been broken, try and make the wiring work, try and make everything go together, and it was just more costly both in time, labor, and parts. So once I got connected to Factory 5, they sent me to Johnny and talked to him on the phone. It was very, very streamlined, showed up very, very quick. Everything's fluid, came as a beautiful crate, drop in, ready to go. Literally no problems.
Very nice, very nice. So, I mean, was there a lot of, I guess, inherent value in just getting it already assembled, dyno tested, kind of runs in?
Peace of mind is right there. Dyno test, because then you can back up what you say you got, not what you think you got based on the magazine.
Yep.
But being able to just have it all set, ready to go, no worries. There's already enough to worry about putting one of these together. Knowing that the drivetrain is going to be all solid and having a go-to guy and having somebody that you can talk to, get questions. I was already asking them today, what about this, what about that? How do I break it in correctly? So there was a lot of peace of mind on having a go-to guy rather than trying to make it work and hoping it works, calling that distributor, calling that distributor.
Awesome. Yeah, I appreciate it for sure. Yeah, nice meeting you out here and everything. Definitely, it was awesome to, you know, meet customers, get that kind of firsthand experience.
Yes,
and
sir, you too.
Yeah, get the positive experience and, you know, hear the good feedback and all that. And, you know, there's definitely the inherent value of kind of dropping it in, like you said, and it's, you know, it takes the guesswork out of it. You know, we set it up with the right oil pan, the right air cleaner.
It really does. It looks beautiful. It's all set and ready to go. And when it shows up at the shop, everyone gets a oohs and ahs. Right.
And you sent a couple other guys our way and all that. It's awesome to hear.
Had another coworker. He just needed a stock 302 for his car and sent him right there. I think it was out in 9 days. It was lickety split. Perfect. Kid was happy as pie.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Hey, thanks very much. We appreciate it for sure.
No problem. Thank you.
Thanks a bunch.
Yep.